Alright, so we are now on our lesson 14, which is working on dividing decimals. So let's look at this first problem. 6 and 72 hundredths divided by 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show this with my place value chart. I have 6, 7 tenths, 2 hundredths divided by 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look right here and I'm going to see, can I divide each place value by 3? So what I'm going to do is 6 divided by 3, well, that is 2. 7 divided by 3. Well, what is 7 divided by 3? I have 7 divided by 3, which is 2. I multiply, subtract, I get this remainder of 1. That means 3 goes into 7 2 times, and there's a remainder of 1. This remainder gets carried over to my next unit. This remainder, if I'm thinking about it, which I should always be thinking about, that means I have 1/10. So I'm taking that 1/10 and I'm trading that 1/10 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hundredths. And now I'm going to check 12 divided by 3, well, that is 4. My place values will stay the same, so I have 2 ones, 2 tenths, and 4 hundredths. So my answer is 2 and 24 hundredths. Let's try looking at this with a model now, just to see what it looks like. We'll have something a little bit simpler to start with, though. 9 tenths divided by 3. Well, it's going to be 9 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm dividing it into groups of 3. So I need to have 3 equal groups. If I have 3 equal groups, how many are in each group? Well, I would have 3 in each group. So that's going to be 3 tenths. So my model works the same way as it does with my multiplication, addition, subtraction, but we're going to try to get away from the models since we're working with division and it's actually going to be drawing a lot of dots. So let's see if we could just conceptualize it a little bit more. So we have 5 and 16 hundredths divided by 4. Now let's look at this. I have 5 ones, 1/10, 6 hundredths. What is that going to look like? Well, I'm going to try to divide each one by 4. 5 divided by 4 is 1. And I'm going to have this 1 remainder left over. So this 1 remainder, that was from my 1's place value. So I'm going to take that 1 and make it 10 tenths. I am exchanging. So now I have 11 tenths. What is 11 divided by 4? Well, that is 11 divided by 4. Goes in 2 times. Multiply, subtract. Now I have this 3. This 3 is a tenth. Well, first let me record my answer. There's 2 times it goes in. This 3, though, that is a tenth. I have 3 tenths left over, and I'm trading these 3 tenths for hundredths, which means I'll have 30 hundredths. So now I have my very last part. What is 36 divided by 4? Well, I know my multiplication facts. I know 9 times 4 is 36, so I know it's going to go in 9 times. Therefore, my answer is 1/1, 2 ninths, or I'm sorry, 2 tenths and 9 hundredths. So my answer is 1.29. This is just like doing long division. So let's see if we can do it using this long division method instead now. 6 72 hundredths divided by 4. My long division, I'm going to start out by writing this problem, just like I would a normal problem. The only difference between this and long division is this decimal right here. So what I need to do is when I have a decimal on the inside and no decimal on the outside. So there's a decimal on the inside, just bring that decimal straight up. Now I have two options. I can leave this decimal here, or I can get rid of it. I'm still going to get the same answer as long as that decimal I brought right up at the beginning. So I'm going to get rid of it just to show you how it works. 4 goes into 6 one time. I multiply, subtract, I check. Is this number less than this number? It is, so I'm doing everything correct so far. So now I bring down, divide. How many times is 4 go into 27? Goes in 6 times. Multiply, subtract, bring down, divide, multiply, subtract, and I have 0. So my answer is 1.68. Let's just check. I'm going to record this answer here. I'm going to check it though using my place value chart just so I know for sure I have those two strategies. I know that it is in fact giving me the correct answer. I'm going to divide each one by 4. 6 divided by 4, well that is 1. There's a leftover 2. There's a remainder of 2. I can see it right here. So this 2 is from my what? My 1s. So I'm going to take that 2 and I'm trading it for 20 tenths. Now I ask myself, how many times does 4 go into 27? Well, it's going to go in 6 times, and I'm going to have a remainder of 3. This 3 now, I'm in my tenths column, so I'm taking 3 tenths and I'm trading them for 30 hundredths. This went in 6 times. How many times does 4 go into 32? Well, I have 32 divided by 4. And I know my multiplication facts. I know that's going to be 32 and 8. And look, I get the exact same answer. 1 ones, 6 tenths, 8 hundredths. So we have these two methods that both work for us. Let's try another one. 20 and 8 hundredths divided by 8. What is that going to look like? Well, let's try using my long division strategy. So what I have is it's a decimal on the inside, no decimal on the outside. So I bring that decimal straight up. 8 goes into 20 2 times. I multiply. 2 times 8, that is 16. After I multiply, I subtract. I check, is this number less than this number? It is, so I continue. 8 goes into 45 times. 5 times 8, that is 40. Subtract, check, 0 is less than 8, so I bring down. Okay, I'm going to make a mistake on this one, so I'm going to do it in red. I say 8 goes into 8 0 times. So what I do now is I multiply, subtract, and notice how I get 8 left over. This is where my check comes in. Is 8 less than 8? If this number is not less than this number, that means I made a mistake. That means this number has to be larger. See how 8 is not less than 8? That means I have to go back and redo this last portion. So I need to pick a number larger than 0, which would be 1. 8, 0. Now I check. This number is less than that number, so I know my answer is good. 2, 5, 1. My answer is 2 ones, 5 tenths, 1 hundredths. Okay, let's check just one more. 6.372. 6 and 372 thousandths divided by 6. So let's start out. I'm going to use my long division method first, then I'll check it, use my place value. Divided by 6. So decimal on the inside, no decimal on the outside, so I just bring it straight up. Now I can leave it or erase it. I'm just going to leave it for this example. 6 goes into 6 one time. I multiply, subtract, check. 0 is less than 6. so I bring down. Divide, how many times does 6 go into 3? That's 0 times. Multiply, 0 times 6. Subtract. Check, 3 is less than 6. Bring down, goes in 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract, bring down, and I see I have a remainder of 0. So my answer should be 1 and 62 thousandths. So let's just check it using my other strategy. I'm going to divide by 6. This goes in 1 time. There's no remainder. 6 does not go into 3, so I bring that 3 over. This is where I'm going to check, though. What's my remainder? My remainder was 3. 6 divided by 3 is 0. And I have this 3 as a remainder. So this is my tenths. So I'm trading 3 tenths for 30 hundredths. 6 goes into 37 6 times. I have a remainder of 1, so I'll show that right here. 37 divided by 6. 6, multiply, subtract, check, 1 is less than 6. This is my remainder. So I'm trading 100 for 10 thousandths. And 6 goes into 12 2 times. Notice again how my answer matches. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to complete your exit ticket. Then you're going to work on your math project. Out of order. You're going to complete your problem set, then your exit ticket. Then once your exit ticket is done, you're working on your math project. Alright, good luck today.